Okay, thank you for watching. Which bike should I pick up now? Imagine you can come and pick up one bike, whatever you want, then put it back, then go for a while with another one. Is the red FI over there? Suzuki, I'm still waiting for the FI, you know. Still waiting to try. Very nice. He told me, click it. Oi, where are you? Somewhere there. I don't even know what the bike is. I barely know how it looks like. Where is it? Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't make noise anymore. Some KTM Jude. I cannot tell where. Is it exactly. It's a red bike. What the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Sexy bitch. Sigma 250, guys. It's got a shark one on it. It's nice. Okay, but it's not my first time on this one. But it's the first time. I already take it down the road for a spin one day. It's got this on it. What's that? Oh shit. I'm not even sure if it's... I think it's stock. I think it's all stock. I'm just gonna move a bit the mirror. Oh, it's heavy, huh? It's more heavy than my bike, obviously. It's gonna be weird. How do you go out? I don't even know. Oh fuck, that's weird. Oh, that's very heavy. I can feel it now. Okay, we on B. I want to ride the bike. So long story short, I'm going on the left. Fuck it. Long story short, my colleague at work, I told him, oh, give me your bike, you know, so I can try. So that's... He kindly lent me his bike, so I'm not gonna go crazy on it. This is not mine. I don't buy a Rusi 250, but I really wanted to try again. I tried once, the same bike, this one. A few months ago I tried and I was happy. I obviously tried another Rusi 250 on my channel, which was nice. But yeah, I just wanted to try more and see how it goes. So this is all stock basically. What happened? Oh shit. Shit. What the fuck happened? Uh-oh. What happened? No, I have gas. Don't ask me if I have gas. Fuck me. This is not a joke, guys. I'm literally don't know what happened. Fuck. I didn't touch anything. Maybe the switch. Ah, fuck me. I turned off the switch things. Make more sense now. I'm not used to the bike. I don't know how I done this. I tried to put indicator maybe. I don't know. Where is that? I just turned off the switch. That's why it did. I was about to say, come on, I'm trying to review Rusi and he's turning shit. god, man. I was thinking, fuck, I'm gonna have to call my friend and tell him to come get I'm gonna have to call my other friend, tell them to come take the KTM Duke and come and get me. My god, man. Yeah, all good, it's working. I was scared, man. As I say, I'm not gonna go crazy, so I just, you know, I'm not gonna drive like a maniac, not like a maniac, but not like I'm confident and I'm gonna filter and counterflow. When it's not your bike, you know, you don't really want anything happen to it. So I'm just gonna slowly riding. So we are here in Rockwell, home of Will Dosovich. I just wanna see, actually, I don't care about Will Dosovich. I would rather to see Hailey Dosovich. She's more sexy, I think. Blonde one, she look a bit wild, like one of those wild girl of no problem. Have a good day, sir. See, a white manila can be nice. Yeah, white blonde like this, Ali Dosovich. Long hair, you know, you can just pull the hair while, you know, no need to hold it by the hips. You can just hold it by the hair. Shit!
I'm in love with the shape of you.
My glove is matching with the bike. You see. Ah! Ah! Bang! Joke. Should I turn this? Am I not gonna start again? I'm not a big fan of this. I actually have this on my. I should try to put it back and I have this actually on my tricycle. It's nice on a tricycle, but on this one, no, don't know. Fuck. Pollution. I actually went to Baguio with this bike the other day. I think it spent like 9 hours because they stopped over. But I went to Baguio with this bike, yeah. Oh, stupid bus. They are very, very dumb in the Philippines with the bus. Just in general, you know, just very stupid. You don't feel the acceleration too much. I mean, it was at 17. A little bit more now. It's still. I mean, you feel it a little bit, but I believe the Raider has more torque. You feel more the torque on the Raider. I don't really dislike actually Rusi. What I dislike with Rusi is mostly the. I think the 250 are great. The Sigma and the classic 250 are good, but the I dislike with Rusi is the small scooter and a small cheap off-road bike. But then, yeah. I was thinking of getting a bigger bike, not a big, but like something bigger than my Raider, but make me think twice when you start to filter, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. I don't know how long it's gonna be. But yeah, it was nice. Put back. There we go. It's actually not too hot. It's okay, you know. So if you look for cheap parking in BGC, just go here in St. Luke's Hospital. They have some space in number B4. Just go down. Seriously? Huh? Rusi? Rusi 250. Thank you.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my